My dear online classes student, how are you? I hope you are well. Almighty Creator of Allah, you are going your study at your home. I hope it. But you have known for a long time our class activities closed because the attack of coronavirus. It is not only for our country but also all over the world. As a result, the authorities of Kashipur AC High School arranged the online class system. For the reason, I informed of you with English first paper for class 9-10 students. The previous class I discussed about can you live alone. 2 days I shall discuss about the new topics, unit 4 lesson 4, the story of Lipi. The story of Lipi. It is a very important and interesting passage. If we read it, realize, we can realize the main idea of the above passage. At first, I read the passage. Please listen it carefully and try to understand the main theme of the passage. The year before last, Lipi, a 14-year-old girl, had been in class 9 in a rural school in Rangpur. Lipi is the eldest of 5 children, 3 daughters and 2 sons. Their father is a day laborer working on the people's land, and mother is a homemaker and part-time worker at other people's houses. The parents, particularly the mother, found it really difficult to raise 5 children on the small income the father would earn. Perhaps that is why Lipi fathers wanted to marry her. Oh, but Lipi was not ready to accept what her parents wanted to impose on her. She wanted to pursue her education so long her mother stood by her, though secretly. But when her father arranged her marriage with Taramia, the only son of a farmer in the same village, she became a little upset. Taramia was a widower, illiterate, but well off. His father had a few acres of Arabian land, was influential in the village. The marriage seemed to be inevitable. Lipi first talked with her classmate and then with the head teacher, who was very sympathetic to her. He called a meeting of the teacher and students of the school, also the school managing committee members, some respectable person of the village. Lipi's and Taramia's parents attend the meeting. The head teacher explained in details the serious consequences that would follow. Lipi's marriage would be having children from her very early age, 15 or 16. It would create constant health hazard to her. Her education would stop, and on top of all, her marriage against her will might shatter her future dream. At one stage, Taramia's father stood up and tried to argue. You are all making mistakes. Lipi would be very happy if she got married with Taramia. She would have everything: money, clothes, home, and status in the society. Why are you trying to deprive her of this opportunity? But no, the big majority who attend the meeting supported the head teacher. Lipi's marriage was called off. She is now studying at Carmichael College, Rome. I read the topics. Now we are going to know some vocabulary. My dear student, now you know some vocabularies such as in the public examination set up portion in synonym, so I replay only synonym. Dream. Dream means hope. Dream is very essential for develop any human life. Without dream, a man cannot reach the target. So it is very important for every student. I hope you have own dream, and for that is why you are doing your regular activities properly. Errands. Errand means manage. Manage. All the sector we follow, we arrange our everything, which is help to lead everyone. Argue means dispute. Argument, dispute, conversation. Two parts. Ruler, Rashti. Ruler means Rashti. Hazard means danger. Hazard means danger. In this way, you will know the other vocabulary at your home. So, if you know every word meaning, you can realize the passage and try to get answer the any kind of question. Next, now I am going to discuss about the main theme or main idea of the above passage. Please listen it. I also present it with simple sentences. Lipi's father was a day laborer. Lipi wanted to pursue her study when she was class in 9. But Lipi's father cannot maintain their family, so Lipi's father decided to Lipi's marriage. For this reason, Lipi's father arranged Lipi's marriage with Taramia at the same village. But Lipi wanted to pursue her studies. As a result, at first Lipi discussed with classmates and then discussed with her head teacher. Her head teacher also sympathetic to her. Her head teacher called a meeting and discussed the Lipi's problem. In the meeting, attended the Lipi's father and Karamia's guardians, many committee members and local elite person. The head teacher explained the minutely problem of Lipi or demerits of early marriage. Lastly, Lipi's marriage called off. Now, Lipi is studying at Carmichael College in the district of Rangpur. In the district of Rangpur. This is the main theme of the passage. Lipi was a young girl, but she dream is fulfilled. Only her own desire. If any man, any person depend on dreams and try hard also, I think he or she will sure reach the target, reach the goal, and acquire knowledge. And in this way, a person try to be a good citizen in any country. Now, I am going to ask me and answering some questions. I hope the student who attend the online class, the maximum student can reply this question. Look at the whiteboard or my dear student, now asking and answering the question. I hope all the students can answer the question. Who tried to stop Lipi's marriage? Who tried to stop Lipi's marriage? The head teacher tried to stop Lipi's marriage. It is a simple, easy answer. Next, what do you mean by dream? What do you mean by dream? Answer, dream mean by hope or ambition. Hope or ambition, both are right. Next, what is the text about? The text is about Lipi. Every story includes a main idea, main thing. Which is the story refer or verb or going on. So, in this above passage, the story circle out one Lipi. So, the text is about Lipi. In this way, you can answer the more question. Such as, what do you mean by sympathetic? Sympathetic mean by condoling. What do you mean by arable? Arable mean by suitable, growing crop. In this way, if you try hard and soft and try to solve the problem in this way, I hope you have vast knowledge in English literature. Lastly, you have make your own notes and revise them frequently. In this way, we tried hard and solved every day. I hope all the students will learn in English literature. In this way, we would be a good citizen in this country. At the end of the class, I shall give you a homework. The main idea of the passage. That's the summarizing. Here is the end today. Thank you very much.